Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 29th of May. Looking at dollar yen, and first of all I've got some good news. We've got something to talk about on dollar yen after days of going nowhere. Just absolute turgid, just really boring, dull market. It actually has made some movement. It's actually broken below the initial support at 107.30. This dollar weakening move that we've seen today has hit through dollar yen, finally giving it some direction, and we're starting to see momentum indicators with a bit of movement as well. Stochastics falling away at RSI at 46. That is below or almost 3-week lows now. And even MACD lines possibly about to roll over. Now closed below 107.30 effectively. I mean, it's a tiny little range, isn't it? 80 pips or so. But it would then imply around about 80 pips of downside from 107.30. That implies 106.50. That would suggest that low at 106.72 comes into play. I mean, if the market does close below the moving averages and the range at 107.30, you would be looking at sort of a downside move. And you can see that through the hourly chart. This effectively becomes a top pattern, doesn't it? This area here, and you can sort of project it downwards. And you've also got some momentum indicators that are moving now on the hourly, having spent the last week at least moving sideways within the bounds of 30 and 70 on RSI. We're now sort of hit below 30, which suggests some downside traction. A little technical rally back to 107.30, finding that as a basis of resistance now. That old support becomes new resistance on the way back up, and that will be an important level where if the market does start to fall over, that would be a selling opportunity again. You've got effectively overhead supply from all these lows through the pattern. You could actually go up towards probably 107.55, 107.60 area as being up towards resistance, and still be negatively configured, because look at these moving averages on the hourly. If I zoom in here, you can see this convergence of all the moving averages, which are now turning down in bearish sequence, series of dead crosses going on. So it certainly would suggest that there is some movement through dollar yen now to the downside, and I think a possibility, certainly if it closes below 107.30 and then 107 figure, then you're looking at 106 figure once more. But we're still looking out for Donald Trump's speech today. That could give a bit of volatility, but I think the outlook is starting to turn dollar yen negative. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars and watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.